What's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Ray, guys.
Hey, what's up guys? And we're back again for another unboxing and a quick review. So today we're going to unbox it's not new, so another Star Wars figure that we've been keeping it for a long time, and not really long time, I think just last year, maybe December or November, I forgot. So this is Grand MOFF TARKIN. Yeah,
it's MMS433
and of course it's made by
Hottoys 1/6 scale collectibles.
Yes. Okay, so let's open it first.
Plastic.
Yes.
Oh.
There you go. So this is the box, plain one.
Yes.
There you go.
Normal.
Uh-huh.
Star Wars box.
Yes. Okay, let's open it and there you go. Wow. I like the pose here. He's sitting. I'm not sure if I did get. Oh yeah, he has a chair. So it's actually two versions of this figure. One is like a deluxe version together with Darth Vader. How come I didn't get that? I don't know. Actually, because I have already Darth Vader, so you know, too many Darth Vaders. Yeah. Yeah. So there you go. So this is Grand MOFF TARKIN picture, and then this is the figure inside. I think not that much of accessories. The figure, how many pairs of hands?
Yes, two pairs of
hands, and then one the joint, extra joints, and then he has this. I'm not sure what is this, and his chair. Yes. Let's open it again. Another packaging. Inside is the figure. Take out the figure. There you go. Wow, it's very thin. Yeah. Then you can, this one you can really tell, of course, from the movie. He's really thin. You know, he's not bulky. He's not masculine. It's very thin. Old. Yeah, Commander Grand MOFF TARKIN. This from plastic first, and yeah, of course the details on his face, guys, very highly detailed, movie accurate, right? Yeah. There you go, guys. Yes. So that's a figure, guys. So you can see
And the fingers, the hands,
his hand,
and the extra joint.
This one, I'm not sure. I think it's a pen. It's like a pen. Maybe. Not sure.
They have one. They have one deep.
There you go. Oops.
Oops. What?
Yeah, it looks like broken. So this is his chair, guys. His chair. And of course his stand.
And
Right
the
here.
Death Star.
There you go. So you can stand. So you have two choices for him to pose.
Stand or sit down.
Yeah. Want him to stand beside Darth Vader or just sit down. Right. I think I prefer sitting down. Oh no. I think I prefer standing.
Yeah, because it does
Yeah.
this, his clothes were like
Yeah.
fold.
It will fold or something like it will damage.
It will crack. It will like open.
Not really like crack, but then it
And
will
sideways.
loose. Yeah, something like about his because of this one. This is like a hard tailored. It's a different material.
It's very tight.
It's a hard material. I mean, hard form of fabric material on this.
Stiff.
So that's why
It's like
if
styrofoam.
it's like a cardboard. So it's like when you pose him like sitting down here on his chair, it's like his suit will crumpled. Yeah, his suit will crumpled, and yeah, of course the form will something like, will damage the form of his suit. So it's either you
Make him straight.
make him standing, or on a standing position, or sitting down. So it's up to you. What do you guys want? What do you guys feel? Right? So yeah, but I think that's it. That's a very quick one. Very quick review, guys. The details on his face, very nice, very highly accurate, highly detailed, guys.
Yes.
It should be skinnier, I think, but then it's okay too. Yeah, or lighter color on his face, I think. What else? The suit's very nice, highly tailored, as usual, very clean.
Double. It's double.
Yeah, it has some inside maybe suits, extra suit, and it's his hand. His hand is a bit thick. Oh, it looks different, guys, because from his face, he's already like thin. He's already thin. His body is thin, but then if you watch actually closely, his hand is very thick. The finger is thick, guys.
There's
I
lots
don't
of
know, it's
people
different.
who's like that.
Yeah, he has a big hand. Very nice, guys. So how about you, Marty? What can you say about this figure?
It's really movie accurate, and it's like they put everything on the face, very detailed. The hair, and then the skin color, and his cloth is really nice. Although it's very like hard, so it's not really easy for posing. And the belt, very detailed, and the boots also very detailed.
This is a simple one. It's
Yeah.
not really like it's like a plastic leather.
More
So I hope it won't like flake after a long time.
And his articulations are also stiff because of the cloth. Yeah. And that's it.
Yeah, just a simple one, guys.
Pockets on his
Let's try to put
shoulder
on his shoulder.
here.
So this
shoulder.
one is the, what did I say?
The the code cylinder. And
Signature.
code
Signature code.
It's code cylinder.
Removing code cylinder. So
I
this one is a
told
code
Cylinder.
cylinder. So
It probably
can
has
be-
a code with it.
maybe when you put it attach or plug in to their computers, and it will show some codes, right? Yeah, so I think that's it, guys. Just that's it. There you go. That's all. Right?
Everything you can get
Yeah.
from this normal version.
Yeah, I think normal version, yeah, or just a single version, because the other version is together with
With
Darth
Darth
Vader.
Vader.
Yes. Okay. So
But it's
yeah.
not bad.
Yeah, it's very nice figure too, guys. Of course, if you're a big fan of Star Wars, for me it's a must. Grandma of
You must
Tarkin.
collect everything.
Yeah, not really every. Well, all the Star Wars, yeah, but maybe some parts of maybe they will repeat it, like Darth Vader. They released 3 version, I think. I
Yeah.
remember 3 or 2. I'm not sure, forgot. So yeah, so if you just want like one Darth Vader, then you're fine. Then yeah. But then of course, compared to Luke Skywalker, it has like 4, because it has like different version from old to young. Darth Vader, only Anakin Skywalker and Darth Vader.
Yes.
So yeah, so it's 2 version. Yes. So hopefully, yeah, we can get the young Anakin Skywalker.
The
But
kid one?
yeah, hopefully, yeah. So I think that's it, guys. Just a very quick one, just a very quick review and a quick unboxing. You can see not that much of accessories, right?
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like.
Yes.
And please comment down anything like
Yeah,
questions,
question and suggestions.
suggestions,
Yes.
anything.
yet. Anything if you can, or you can also say something about this figure too. Yeah, what do you think about this figure, right? So I think that's it, guys. Yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out. Peace out. Yeah.